Welcome to our instructional video on solving inequalities. In this video, we will walk through the step-by-step process of solving the inequality 6u minus 4 is less than or equal to 14. We will not only find the solution in inequality form, but also represent it in interval notation. So, let's get started. Step 1 is to isolate the variable term on one side of the inequality. In this problem, the inequality is 6u minus 4 is less than or equal to 14. First, we need to eliminate the minus 4 on the left side of the inequality. To do this, we will add 4 to both sides. Adding 4 to negative 4 cancels it out, and we are left with just 6u on the left side. Adding 4 to 14 gives us 18 on the right side. So now, the inequality is 6u is less than or equal to 18. This step alters the expression by removing the constant term on the same side as the variable. This is important because isolating the variable helps us figure out what values it can take. To summarize, the inequality 6u minus 4 is less than or equal to 14 has been simplified to 6u is less than or equal to 18 by adding 4 to both sides. The reasoning for this step is to eliminate the constant term and begin the process of solving for u. Step 2 is to solve for u. Currently, we have the inequality 6u is less than or equal to 18. To isolate u, we must divide both sides of the inequality by 6. Dividing both sides by 6 ensures that the variable u is by itself on one side, making it easier to understand what values u can take. When we divide 6u by 6, the 6's cancel out, leaving us with just u on the left side. Next, we divide 18 by 6, which gives us 3. So now the inequality is u is less than or equal to 3. This means that u can be any value that is 3 or less. To express this in interval notation, we use the interval from negative infinity to 3, including 3. So the interval notation for the solution is negative infinity to 3, with 3 included. This final step helps us understand and clearly state the range of values that the variable u can take to satisfy the inequality. To summarize, we divided both sides of the inequality. 6u is less than or equal to 18 by 6, which gave us the simplified form u is less than or equal to 3. The interval notation for this solution is negative infinity to 3, with 3 included. By dividing both sides by 6, we isolated u and determined its possible values. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.